Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, the Empress. If you are new here, welcome and I hope you stay. And to those who are already subscribed, welcome. Now today we are going to make carrot oil, and one of the benefits of carrot oil is that it helps to promote faster growing hair and thicker hair, and who does not love that? Now if you want to avoid split ends, this oil is the one for you. Now it also helps with skin lightening. Now if you have like hyperpigmentation and you know that you're suffering from spots and stuff like that, this carrot oil really helps with that, and it lightens the skin, and it also helps to even the skin tone. Now what I'm doing right here is just cleaning up my carrots so that I could get a fresh product to work with. Now I'm not trying to go too deep, so I'm using the serrated knife, and with that it like only takes the skin off and not go too deep in the actual carrot itself. Now this is homemade, so once you have some oils, I'm going to tell you the oils that I'm using today, and once you have some heat you will be good. Okay, just take off the bad pieces that you think you don't need on there and you will be fine. Now, once you have your clean carrots, freshly washed, we're going to shred them. Now, I built some muscles shredding these carrots, so I suggest you use the bigger part if you're not trying to get that muscle movement, but the small part works fine just as well. So now that I'm finished, I only use like almost one carrot. I didn't need the other three. I will just split these in two, and so I will make some with coconut oil and the other with olive oil. Now, as you know, coconut oil is good for your skin, and it's also good to your hair. It is also good to eat. Don't you just love coconut oil? And if you're from Jamaica or anywhere in the Caribbean, you know that your parents always lather you with some good coconut oil, grease you up and get you ready for school. Now, usually we would say, oh my gosh, I don't want any coconut oil on my skin, but now it is the hit. So thank your parents and, give them a chops on the cheek. So I'm going to use less than a cup of coconut oil, depends on the amount of product that you want, and I'm going to use half of the amount of carrot that I shredded in the mix. Now, you're going to have this on low heat. I don't like to cook my vegetables with a lot of heat because, it damages and get rid of the enzymes and all those good stuff that you need to activate, and promote the hair growth that is needed. So I will do this for 10 minutes on low heat. If you are allergic to coconut oil, as a lot of people have said, you can use olive oil, and that's another healthy alternative. Both these oils are carrier oils, so whichever one works for you, perfect. So since you know how to make this carrot oil from scratch, now get your pots, pans, and carrots, and all these ingredients can be found in your kitchen. So start this video over if needs be, and let's make this together. Make sure, don't burn up yourself, because me can't manage. This is the finished product using coconut oil. So what I'm going to do is put it in a mason jar, and that's crucial because virgin coconut oil is solid at room temperature, and you don't want it to be solid and have a spout bottle, because guess what? That will not come out unless you melt the product, and we don't want to melt the plastic, and yeah, too much stress. So put it in a mason jar. Now I use a regular strainer to get the rest of the oil out of the carrot. Now if you have a cheesecloth, please use it. That's better because it gets everything out. And yeah, I had to throw away the rest of it, and I was so mad, but it's whatever. If you're trying to do this for your skin, now you can turn this into a body butter by whipping shea butter with the rest of this oil, and so you'll get that body butter when you're using it for your skin, and it'll be just fine. Or you wait until it's hardened and you can use the coconut oil in its natural state by itself. You can get the bottle spout in the beauty supply store for $1.99 and the mason jar for $1 at the dollar store. Now I'm going to use tea tree oil because I love to put that in everything, and once it goes in my hair, it's just tingly and it feels nice and soothing. But it's also good for your scalp and it promotes hair growth as well. And the castor oil is just an added bonus. Now I do not measure the amount that I'm using in my mixture, but if you want to, that's fine. I just add until my mind says stop, and that's about it. And this is how I make my carrot oil. I would just dip my finger in it and base my hair, or once you rub it together it will melt, so it should be fine. So guys, if you've reached so far in the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button, just ping, like ping, and even click the notification bell so you could see when I post new videos. It is awesome. That will just make me so happy, so happy, like so happy. So go ahead and just, you know, share it and comment. I'm going to finish oiling my scalp. Love you guys.